Hi children, let us start our new chapter, chapter 5, data handling. It's very easy. You have been learning from 3rd standard data handling. Data handling means what children? That is to collect the data and to organize it. Okay, in this chapter we are going to learn how to draw a pie chart, how to draw a histogram. Okay, and also we are going to learn the probability in this chapter. Okay, let us now go in detail what is data handling. Okay children, data. Let us see now what is data handling. What is data first? Okay, any information collected in the form of numbers, words, measurements, symbols or in any form, any other form is called data. That is collection of information. Collection of information is called data. Okay, then graphical representation of data. Okay, now you are very familiar with the graphical representation of data. That is in coronavirus cases, the graphical representation is shown in the TV as how many active cases are there, how many recovered, like that. It is shown in graph. Okay, that is graphical representation of data. The grouped data can be represented graphically for a clear picture. So, we can understand it well. Okay, as it is easiest way to understand the data. So, when you're seeing in the TV, you are able to understand soon how much it increased. Okay, so like that. Now, type of graph, that is pictograph. Pictograph means what? We are representing the data in the form of pictures or symbols. Okay, here pictograph showing one tree's picture represent 10 trees. Okay, one picture means it represent 10 trees. So, how many apple trees? 10, 10, 10, 30 apple trees are there. Peach, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 trees means it is 40. Guava, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trees are there. So, 50. And pear, it is 2 trees. Okay, like this we can understand. Well, you can understand in easy way. Now, next one is bar graph. In a bar graph, the information represented by the bars of the same width and equal gaps. The bars will be of same width and equal gaps, but the height may vary like this. Okay, it is represented with the same width and the gap between them are same, but the height varies. That is favorite pets. Okay, it is a bar graph showing how many of them like the pets. Okay, so how many of them like cats? That is 5 of them. Dogs means 7 of them. Okay, 7% or 7 of them likes dogs. Birds means it is 3 of them likes, and rabbits according to that. So when we are seeing the bars, we can understand the data and we are able to understand the informations in a very good manner. Okay, so this is the use of the bar graph. This is bar graph. It is drawn with the same width and same gap in between. Okay, now next children, next one is double bar graph. It is to represent the two datas in the single graph. Okay, that is simultaneously we are going to represent the two datas. Here the information is about the test 1 and test 2. Blue color is test 1 and red color is test 2 for the students Paul, Shinha, like that. For each student, what is the marks they have got for the test 1 and test 2. For a single student's mark, we are able to compare with this. Test 1, how much she scored, and test 2, how much she scored of the same student. We are comparing the marks. Okay, this can be done using double bar graph. Okay, now we'll see the next concept. Now next one is histogram. Basically, the bar graph of the grouped frequency distribution or continuous class interval is called histogram. Okay, histogram is done for the continuous class interval. There will be no gap between the two bars. It is for the continuous data. The class intervals are shown on the horizontal line. Class interval will be shown on the horizontal line and the frequency along the vertical way. There is no gap between the bars. It will be continuous. This is histogram. In bar graph, you have seen there is a gap between the bars. but in histogram there will be no gap between the bars. It will be continuous. Next one is circle graph or pie chart. Okay. If we represent the data in a circular form, if we are representing the data in the circular form, then it is said to be pie chart. This graph shows the relation between the whole and its parts. We have to divide the circle into sectors, and each sector is proportional to its respective activity. Each sector will represent each data. We use it when we have information on the percentage or fraction, when we are having percentage. Okay, let us see the picture here. This full means it is 100%. So for each state is given, it is the pie chart of a population of India. So each place, what is a population, it is put here. Okay, this is pie chart.